Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today topic of our discussion is Introduction to Array and Address Calculation in Arrays. First we will define array. An array is an infinite order set of homogeneous elements. We can also say that an array is a fixed size of a sequenced collection of data elements of same data type. Basic properties of arrays are homogeneity of its elements, ordered set of elements, finite number of elements. An array is a set of elements of same data type presented by a single name. Each individual array element can be referred to by specifying the array name followed by an index or subscript and closed brackets. These can be parentheses or square brackets. For example, if marks is a name of array containing n elements, then individual array element will be array 1, array 1 marks 1 for first element, marks 2 for second element, and so on. 1, 2, and n are the subscript or index of array. Types of arrays. There are two types of arrays. First is linear array or one dimensional array. An array in which each element can be referenced by one subscript or index is known as one dimensional array or linear array. One dimensional arrays are also known as vectors. Second is multi-dimensional arrays, an array in which each element can be referenced by more than one subscript is known as multi-dimensional array. Most programming language allow two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays. In two-dimensional array, each element of array can be referenced by two subscripts or index. Linear array or one-dimensional array can be understood by this picture. By this picture, contents are 15, 25, 20, 30, 37, and 28. Index are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The lowest index value is LB and highest index value is UB. LB is for lower bound and UB is for upper bound. Lower bound. Lower bound is the smallest number that an index can have. In the previous example, LB is 1. Upper bound is the largest number that an index can have. In the previous example, UB is equal to 6. Length and size or range of the array. The length of array can be obtained by the following formula. Length is equal to UB minus LB plus 1. Length is equal to, in the previous example, 6 is UB and LB is equal to 1. Then length is equal to 6 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. Index set. The set of all possible values of index is known as index set. Index set is denoted by capital I. From the previous example, I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because in the previous example, index are start from 1 to 6. Value set. All arrays element have some values. The set of values of array element is known as value set and is denoted by capital T. In the previous example, the contents are 15, 25, 20, 30, 37 and 28. We can write the arrays as array name, square bracket, LB, colon, UB. Sequential allocation or representation of one-dimensional array in memory. From this picture, we can understand the sequential allocation. As we know that memory addresses are start from 0 and so on, but the arrays can be start from any memory address. Like in this example, it start from 300, 15, 301, 25, 302, 20, 303, 30, 304, 37 and 305, 28. Beginning of array is from 15 and end of array is 28. As in the previous example, one element occupy only one location, but one element can occupy more than one location. As in this example, first element occupy three locations, second element occupy three locations. Address calculations of elements of 1D array. Formula to calculate the address of kth element is base plus k minus b into w. Here address of the first element of array is base. The first element of array is known as base address, denoted by base. Number of memory locations required to store one element, denoted by W. In this example, consider the linear array A, that is 16 colon 30. If base is given 100 and W is equal to 4, then the address of A 27th element can be obtained by 100 plus base is equal to 100. So we put the value 100 here, plus we have to calculate 27th element address. So value of k is 27 and lower bound is equal to 16. That can be obtained by the notation 16 colon 30. Here LB is equal to 16 and UB is equal to 30. Here we put the value 16 into W is equal to 4, that is given, and we can calculate it as 144. That is, in this example, assume that A is a linear array with LB is equal to 1. If address of 25th element is 375 and address of 30th element is 390, then find the address of 16th element. For this, formula is equal to base plus KB minus LB into W. From the given equation, address of 25th element is 375. Put the values in the formula, and by using formula we also put the value 30th is equal to 390. We get the two equation, base plus 24 W is equal to 375, and second equation is base plus 29 W is equal to 390. On solving these equation, we get base is equal to 303 and w is equal to 3. By putting these values, base is equal to 303 and w is equal to 3 in the equation, we get a 16th is equal to 348. Thank you.